No, that does not serve my energy.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
You know, growth is honestly and truly a beautiful thing because instead of like being petty and wanting to be going tit for tat with people, I just decided at this point in my life that I just disengage. If it does not serve my energy, I'm disengaging. And that is a beautiful thing because me, I used to get told that I was petty, and I'm like, yeah, I know. I'm very petty and I don't care. Like, I was all here for being petty. I'm gonna match your energy. I'm gonna match it. I'm gonna excel the energy that you were given. Like, I was all for, I'm gonna be petty. You did this to me. I'm gonna do it back to you. Now I don't care. Like, you don't even get any energy out of me because you know what? Being petty and doing tit for tats and matching energies, like, especially negative energies, I don't have time for it because you don't deserve my energy. You don't even deserve it if I am exuberating negativity to you, because if me being petty and matching your pettiness and matching your wicked, evil, negative energy, like, that also makes me look bad. So guys, like, at this point in your life, if you have so much going for you, if you are growing and excelling, like, disengage from anything that does not serve your energy well. If it's not positive, if it's not coming to you, do not serve it. And like, I completely understand, like, oh, but this person, like, listen, I get it. Like, I get it. Because even now, people still try me. I'm like, listen, I'm not the same person. I've changed. And like, people are like, oh, well, da-da. And like, they try to get me to go back and cuss them out. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm always going to check people. Like, you're not going to come and think you're going to speak to me any old way. I'm going to check you. But like, I'm not going to do it how I would normally used to do it. Like, I used to go off. But like, I just don't think people deserve that energy. Like I said, I will check you. I'm not going to be like, you know what? You do it. Like, that used to be me. You're not getting it out of me because you don't deserve it. And honestly, I don't even care. I don't care. But if someone gets super duper 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 disrespectful, that's a completely different story. But if someone's energy doesn't serve you, don't even do a tit for tat. Don't even go there with them. Disengage. Because you know what? You have better coming for you. You are blessed. And when you're blessed and you're growing and you're working on yourself, you don't engage with people. You don't engage with people who are very stagnant, who are negative. You don't do it. So just disengage. If it does not serve your soul, your spirit, your vibes, your aura, whatever, disengage and let people be. Because guess what? They're going to look stupid. They're going to look so dumb. And something that I learned too, like, with stop matching people energies, I learned that if I pull my energy back, people lose out on me. Like, I'm sorry to toot my own horn. Beep, beep. Like, I'm a nice person. I'm giving. I'm caring. So, like, if you get me to the point where I got to match your, like, if I cut you off, like, you're losing out on me. And that's just where I am. And it's not even like, oh, I'm cutting him off and edit. No, like, you're just cut off. And, like, I wish you nothing but the best. Like, I'm not mad at you or anything. Good luck. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. First of all, please forgive me for being late per usual. Like, forgive me. I promise you one day I'm really gonna get it together. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell so you can get my notifications. Guys, I promise I'm gonna try to be on time next time. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah.